So when you go into court, what you have to recognize is who you are, who the judge is, and what this game is that's being played in this room that's called a court that you think is above your court right here. You think this physical, because it's physical, this is a 3D, the real court is here. And you better have put your real court on record before you walk into that court, because this is where your protection comes from. Not nothing a judge says, not your argument, not your plea. Because the minute you plea, you're in dishonor when you start trying to argue. You're not supposed to go in there trying to argue. The only thing, if you're saying anything, is listen, I'm not under the jurisdiction of this court. And you need to know how to stand on that, because I've had to do that several times. And the deal is, they're not going to tell you it worked. They're not going to say, ta-da, you said the magic words. You get to go home and keep all your money, diva. Congratulations. That's not how it works. What they're going to do is they're going to treat you like what you're saying is ridiculous. They're going to treat you like you got to be an idiot. And they're going to say things to make you feel as such. You understand, there's a game being played here. But if you make a plea, any kind of plea, you have effectively put yourself under the jurisdiction. You're playing the game now. And that's the issue. You don't have to play the game. That's why you send your court in first. You send your court in first, where you're saying, I'm not under your jurisdiction, I'm under trust. Now, if you have harmed somebody, meaning you stole something, you hurt somebody, or anything like that, I'm not talking to you. But for people, when we're coming to these infractions, these codes, statutes, and ordinances, these are not laws. Okay?